Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with Windows Update. This is a we couldn't complete the updates undoing changes. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So if you're having this problem, open up the search menu, type in Troubleshoot. Best result should come back with Troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, select Other Troubleshooters. And then underneath most frequent, select the Windows Update Troubleshooter here, and then the Run button that corresponds to it. And then once it's done, go ahead and close out of here. And you want to restart your device. And now that we're back into Windows, open up the search menu and type in Update. Best result should say Check for Updates. Go ahead and open that up. And on the right side, select Check for Updates. And if there are any updates to install, go ahead and install them, but otherwise you should be good to go at this point. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.